Sorry, I'm always checking my hair, it's short and I don't really know how come, uh, sometimes it just looks different in the camera than when you look in the mirror. So music, yes. So I'm going to tell you which workout I find is the best because of the music. Point is that the more upbeat the music, the easier it's going to be to lose weight, in the sense that you cannot, necessarily work your cardio if you have like no music at all, or a very slow type of music with a really slow rhythm. You're not going to work hard enough in a way. So first off, my latest favorite workouts. One of my favorite is Les Mills. It's a free YouTube channel. So the one that I really like is hip hop. That's about 40 minutes. I don't know how many times, but at least I'd say 10, 12 times. I'm not sure. The music, I'm not getting tired of it, so that's good. After that, I have the studio by Jamie something. It's another channel. It's in English, but I find that for workouts that are on YouTube, it's quite easy to actually pick up, and they give you the time to learn the choreography. So I find that these two are the latest that I've. Oh God, I'm looking at my nails. I hope that I didn't break it. But the studio, they use the actual music, like Justin Timberlake, Justin Bieber, things like that. So one that I really like also is Jillian Michaels. Jillian Michaels, she became kind of famous, a famous trainer in, if you've ever seen the show The Biggest Loser. Some of the other channels, they may not be as knowledgeable as she is, because she's really good. I mean, she talks about nutrition, workouts. She has an app also that you can follow some workouts on your phone. So I think that it's kind of she's kind of a specialist. She knows everything, but then she has fewer subscribers compared to other fitness channels. So Jillian Michaels, I have a DVD in the basement where I work out. So there's 3 20-minute workouts. It's really good. It's really intense. You can do just the one out of the 3, and I'm telling you, you're gonna sweat and you feel like your heart is really pumping, because she's very upbeat herself. So it's kind of good. Also the music, of course, it's upbeat, but it's not the best music for my taste. Now there is one channel that's really popular, 5 million subscribers. It's called Fitness Blender. They have no music. I guess it's easier to put music in your ears and listen to music however you prefer. Once you know the moves, and then you just have to watch to check if you have the right move. And this one is, but it's really an old. You're gonna see it, and backwards. You can't really read it because I'm on selfie mode. So it's Billy Blanks. I don't know if he still makes these. I don't even know if he's alive, but let's say that he is. There's probably some videos that you can find on him on Amazon. So this is kickboxing, but he's really good as well. The music is good. So these are just a couple of examples. And if you were to look for something in French, the same principle. Here in Quebec, we have José Lavigueur. Keep in mind that the more upbeat, the more you're going to work.